Hi guys on YouTube, it's been a while since I did any videos of this dishwasher. The reason basically is because it's a busy house that people stay in overnight and work nice in days, 12 hours, and because it's very hard for me to make the videos of this dishwasher when I can. Sometimes I do it as many at night. That's when I can do it. Anyway, on with this video. I'll try and do step toward the kitchen when I can. So I'll try my best to aim at the filming for you. Go with a 10 parts guarantee. A 10 parts guarantee is better than a 2 years guarantee. This is my opinion. I'm just my own. I might show the kitchen while I'm at it. Here's we got a hot point fish freezer. Radiator there. More storage units, presses down there. A hot point, whirlpool, single oven, multifunction, candy built-in microwave, toaster that I found there, and kettle, whirlpool, hob, extractor fan, and got dishwasher. I thought I'd just get around to actually making another video of this dishwasher running. I promise you guys I'll do that video. I thought I'd make the video for you to watch at night. Thanks for watching, and a very good night to you. Subscribe to this channel, and that's what keeps it going. And able to make the videos for you, and I'm able to, and I'm allowing me to think of the next filming project set to come. They'll be trying to do more videos of this dishwasher to come. I'll try my best. Thanks for watching, and a very good night to you. Thanks for watching.